This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Swindell. Enjoy great city living and all the amenities of desirable Ghent Square. Multiple outdoor, low-maintenance spaces, front porch, private back brick courtyard with shed, 2 decks, balconies, primary suite and third-floor bedroom, overlooking quiet dead-end street and peaceful treetops. Updated primary bath and kitchen with huge pantry and recessed lights, 2 new HVAC systems July 24, H2O heater new 23, replacement windows, all blinds convey, laundry room conveniently located on 2nd floor. These are just a few of the notable features of this lovely, move-in ready home. Just blocks to shops, restaurants, medical care, hospitals in unique Ghent neighborhood and easy access to schools, bases, interstates. Great Ghent living. November 15, 2024. For more information, review the details below.